Redbubble is a free online marketplace that helps thousands of artists reach new audiences and sell their work more easily. The platform could also be helpful to any small business seeking to create branded merchandise on demand without much upfront investment. The company was founded in 2006 in Melbourne, Australia, but it also has an office in San Francisco. Is Redbubble worth it? Yes, Redbubble is definitely worth it. Anyone can earn from this platform without spending a single penny of their own money, and the products line is quite vast that provides various options to put the art on them. Creating a Redbubble store. To create a store you have to 1. Create a unique domain name. Click the Sell Art button on the top left of your screen to get started. You will be taken to the Join Redbubble page where you will have to create your own unique domain name. You can also sign up with Facebook, but keep in mind the confirmation email will be sent to the same email you use for Facebook. 2. Upload cover image and avatar. Select an avatar and a cover photo for your profile. This is a great opportunity to welcome your buyers and also tell your story by making sure your image reflects your creativity. The cover image could be a collage featuring a variety of works, a snazzy shot of your studio, or a piece of artwork. Don't forget your mobile fans. Check how your cover image looks like on your mobile. 3. Enter your payment details. You will not be able to sell any of your work if you haven't added your payment details. Click Complete Payment Details by entering your personal details, residential and postal address, as well as the currency you want to be paid in. 4. Add your artwork to the platform. With your account all set up, the next step is to add your work. Click the Add New Work button to begin filling your shop with your designs. To upload a file, click the Upload to All icon or drag and drop the file from your computer. Redbubble accepts designs in both PNG and JPEG formats. At this stage, you can also fill in the necessary details about your work. 5. Promote your work on social media. Redbubble also gives you an opportunity to market your products on social media. The platform contains a share button on all design pages, and this gives you an opportunity to share work on Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter, or Google+. 6. Connect with your customers. 7. Among the many ways that you can connect with your Redbubble customers is through the use of the thank you features that appears after a customer has made a purchase. Start the conversation with custom pre-set messages for your buyers. Whether you are interested in selling men's sweatshirts, kids' t-shirts, or tote bags, Redbubble is a sure great way to reach new audiences in a cost-effective way. Redbubble coordinates everything from printing and shipping through to ongoing customer service, so you'll have more time to focus on creating great art and designs.